Find time for kindness and use plastic responsibly. Before this moment of unity, a shadow loomed over the realm. Let's spiral back to when harmony was first threatened. In the heart of the Celestial Empire, the baby bone dragon was born, marking the dawn of a new era, unlike any before. From the Empire's depths, skeletal creatures immune to draconic powers emerged, sowing fear and challenging the essence of our realm. Our realm boasts a diversity, from the majestic traditional Chinese dragon mother to the spirited Gongfu, each dragon unique in form. Despite their might, our dragons found themselves powerless against these skeletal hunters, a foe unlike any other. Hidden, the baby bone dragon watched, its unique essence harboring the potential to protect our world. With unprecedented courage, it faced the hunters, not with might, but with purifying light, transforming foes into allies. The baby bone dragon achieved what no other could, transforming darkness into light, ending their torment. We return to our celebration. Now, a testament to unity, understanding, and transformation. The once outcast baby bone dragon became our savior. This Lunar New Year, let's embrace the baby bone dragon's lessons, strength and compassion, and transformative power of light over shadow. May this new cycle unite us even closer in light and understanding. Happy Lunar New Year.